Hi, James again, and today we're going to be looking at the Ghatam. So this is the Ghatam. The Ghatam, unlike the other percussion instruments I've done videos on, is completely made out of clay. There's no leather straps, there's no leather skins, it is 100% clay. It resembles that, similar to a pot, a vase, water jug, and is made on clay farms. So women will dig up the clay, will create this shape, and will make it bigger or smaller depending on what key they want it in, and they'll leave them out to dry. But also another thing they mix in with the Ghatam is little pieces of metal, which gives it its sound. It's almost like a ringy sound. And again, unlike the other instruments, it's a lot less resonant again. Now we're going to move on to the basic bowls of the Ghatam. The first bowl is ta. It's played with the index finger of your right hand on the front of the Ghatam. The next one is t, the same way you're playing on the right, but on the left. The next bowl is ge, 3 fingers combined, strike downwards. And now the same on the other hand, ta. And now you have ta te ge ta. Now I'm going to do a short improvisation on the Ghatam using the bowls we learned today, with a few extra bowls thrown in along to a tempura drone in the key of F sharp. So I've been James, this has been the Ghatam video. Thanks to Family Base again for sponsoring these videos, and if you like what you saw, please do go subscribe to the Family Base Arts YouTube page, like this video, share it around to your friends, and do comment if you want to see any other instruments in the future. Thank you for watching.